Hey, it's Malika, owner of Lose a Pound Daily. I wanted to come to you today to give you an update on our website. Yes, we have relaunched and rebranded our Lose a Pound Daily website, which with you in mind, and hopefully it's making things easier for you to navigate the website. I did a poll about a month ago, and I asked our customers, our loyal customers, were we serving you correctly? What is it that you needed from us? What more could we do in order to make your journey better and make your experience better? You spoke and we listened. And one of the things was that we needed to have a better accessibility on our website. I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you some new changes to our website. But before I do that, I need you to click that subscribe button, hit that button on this link so that you'll be able to get updates. Every time we post a new video, you'll be able to get those updates. So the first thing I'm going to do is talk about the homepage. It's laid out a little bit easier now. You have the search engine right at the top of the website. But now we're doing what's called color coding. So the first thing you'll see when you log on is how it works. And here it says when starting a weight loss or weight maintenance program, it can sometimes be overwhelming trying to determine which program or products are right for you. We've simplified that process with color coding. So all of our products are in the process of being changed over to color coding. So you'll see some products that are ready now, that are available now, that have not been color coded, but over the coming weeks, you'll see that everything will be changed over. But we didn't want to hold anything up because we've got people asking about our products and what's going on with the website. So the first thing is the pink label. The pink label is for weight loss. So primarily the products that have a pink label, you will identify those as being weight loss products. The second label is the green label. So this label is for health and wellness as well as weight loss maintenance. And these products are for anyone. The third label is the brown label. So we will have a men's line that is catered to our men. And there will be some products that women can use also, but it will be catered to the men. And then the fourth label is our silver label, which is catered to our 55 and older women. Yes, you spoke and we listened. We all know that as we begin to age, there are things that we need that maybe we did not need so much of when we were a little bit younger. So we will have a line that caters to our 55 and older women. That does not mean that you can't use any of the other labels. If you are looking for weight loss, then use weight loss. If you're looking for just a health and wellness um, type of maintenance program, then use the green label, and so forth and so on. Then over here on the left side, you'll see everything is broken down into categories. So here again, you'll see the pink label for weight loss, the green label for health, the brown label, which is our men's section again, and then the silver label for our mature women, our 55 and older. You'll also see our newest products, bundle deals, our best-selling deals, our clothing, our tea collection, and then our keto products. Now over here, a lot of people say, well, how does it work? Like, what do I do? Like, how do I start? Well, the first thing you want to do is pick a program. Our programs are listed here. It's the LAPD meal program, which is the same as our HCG, and then there's the keto program. We'll be adding more programs as we continue on in this journey, but for now, these are the programs that are the biggest programs that we actually have in our Lose a Pound Daily group, as well as here on our website. The next thing you want to do is pick your products. And you can pick your products based on the color label. Our programs will also suggest what color labels you may want to use. But primarily, of course, it'll be pink because pink is definitely weight loss. But there may be some of you who wants to do keto that necessarily want to lose more weight. You just want to maintain weight. So with that, it'll be the green label. The next thing you want to do is tell your friends because you don't want to keep information like this to yourselves. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. But we all know that weight loss is a journey, and you want to continue on that journey. So that's just a little bit of inspiration here. If you go down just a little bit, you'll have also another way to get to our categories, our best-selling products, clothing and accessories, bundles of bundles. So all of our bundle deals will be here, and again, everything will be changed, color-coded at some point. Here are our health products and our newest products. Now, within each of these products, you now have the ability to add things to your wish list. So here, your collagen complex, let's say that you weren't ready to get it yet, you can actually add it to your wish list, and it'll tell you that you must log in or create an account in order to save this product to your wish list. So if you come back up here and you log in if you haven't already. So now I've logged in, and these are all my orders. But if I come here to my wish list, it shows what products I have kept in my wish list. So I added the apple cider vinegar to my wish list. But I thought I had added something else too. Let me go back. Okay, now it's saying adding. So I need it to be logged in first. And then it tells you I've added the collagen complex to my wish list. So if I want to go back up here to my wish list and see what all I've added, there it is. So I have 2 items, the collagen complex as well as the apple cider vinegar on my wish list. Okay? Now, here's some of customer testimonials, excuse me. One of the comments that I had was that there's not enough testimonials. I'm going to build a separate page where we'll have a running amount of customer testimonials, but here are some. So you could just read through and see some of the before and after, some of the testimonials that some of our loyal customers have shared with us. Now here, just some more inspirational quotes. Healthy looks good on you. And then here, if you click into any of these boxes, it'll take you to certain parts of our website. So here, learn more about our weight loss products. If you click here, then it'll take you to the weight loss products and so forth and so on. Go back to the home page. And here, if you'd like, you can follow us on Instagram. You can call us. This is our business line. You can email us here at support. Follow us on Facebook at our Lose a Pound Daily page. And we also have the ability to just like us directly from here. You don't have to leave the website if you just want to like our pages. And these are our current tweets that we have here. We also have a chat box. This will be updated so it'll reflect the right color because our color scheme has changed. But if you needed to get in contact with us and we are online, or even if we're offline, I'll still get the message. You can get in contact with us here. This is the reward tab. That tab has been added back. So if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for your rewards. And you'll get rewarded for the purchases that you make with Lose a Pound Daily. And you can also redeem those points for money off of items. And a lot of you use the reward system. I did not realize that the reward tab had disappeared. That was my fault. But it is back, and any rewards and points that you had prior, they're still there. They didn't go anywhere, so they're still there. And this is some of the legal information here about Lose a Pound Daily, our recipes, Keto Talk. So this is some of the blogs. If you wanted to partner with us and become an affiliate, the affiliate tab will be up and running within the next few days. So as of the recording of this video, today is July 23rd. By the end of this week, our affiliate link will be up and running so that you could become an affiliate with Lose a Pound Daily and earn money for referring people to this beautiful website to get these products. And I will do a separate video on our affiliate program. So I just want to go back up to the top here and talk about this, the Lose a Pound Daily News. So in here, we have our blogs broken out into separate categories. So this is the ketogenic. So anything dealing with keto would be here in this blog, and you'd be able to pull that up, and you can see some recipes. You can filter here by the popular tags that are on these blogs if you were looking for something in particular. If you wanted to look at some of the videos, you could go in here and it'll bring up some of the videos that we've done. And these videos are housed on YouTube, so it'll take you to the YouTube channel. If you click here to read more, and it'll take you to the video, and the video will then take you to the YouTube channel, and then you'll be able to watch it on here.
Let's make some keto chocolate mousse.
And here, LAPD News. So anything just pertaining to weight loss, period, will be here on the LAPD News. weight loss and actually just health and wellness will be here. So we've divided our blogs into 4 sections, and then there's recipes. There will be a lot more added because that's one of the other things that you asked for was more recipes for Lose a Pound Daily. So we will definitely have more recipes in here for you. And again, here there's the LAPD meal program. So the HCG is here. The protocols for the HCG and the protocols for the keto is also in here. It's starting with the induction and on to the keto basics. And then there's some menus. You can also sign up for 21 days of keto. If you go in here and you click here, you could sign up to get keto recipes delivered to your email every day for 21 days. So I hope that this has been informative for you. I hope that the website is much better for you in terms of maneuverability. We will be adding more products. We'll be coming out with gummies. We will be coming out with more teas. There will be several new items that will be added to our line, and we will make sure that we keep things stocked for you more regularly than we had before. Well, thank you so much for listening today. Please feel free to join our group at loseapounddaily.com. I'm sorry. Please feel free to join our group at Lose a Pound Daily on Facebook, and also to visit the website often because we'll be adding more products. And leave us a comment. Have a great day.